In this video, I will show you how to change location in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come across to google.com, and then if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a option for settings. So what you need to do is give that a click, and that's going to bring up a menu like this. And from here, you want to come and click onto search settings. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is it's going to take you to a screen like this, and you want to come across to the menu on the left hand side. From here, click onto other settings. That's going to load up a screen like this. And in here at the top, you can see we can change the language and region. So if you actually go ahead and give this a click, you can actually change your results region. So basically what you want to do is come down here, click where it says current region, and then you can change your region by using the country list here. You can also use the search box if there's a country you want to change to, and then select it and then click onto confirm. As you can see, that's now been added, and we can come back now. And basically when we do any searching or anything on Google using the Google Chrome browser, all the results displayed are going to be relating to our current region. So that is how to change location in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.